We're at Platinum Auto World. We're going to be taking a look at this truck right here. This is a one owner 2001 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins turbo diesel. It is a 24 valve with only 74,000 miles. It is a rust-free truck. The body is in phenomenal shape. This truck is literally in showroom condition. It's a really nice truck. Comes with matching tires all the way around. We're gonna get a closer look here in a little bit. It's a little wet out here today. A little cold, but here we are. There's absolutely no rust in the wheel wells. Well, you can see that, but there's no rust. All matching tires all the way around. The frame, rear differential, we're gonna go ahead and crank it up, show you guys a little bit of the interior right here. The dash is all in one piece. I don't know how well y'all can see that there. It's not cracked. There you go. That's a better view. All right, there you go. There's the center console. There's the steering wheel. It's not beat up or picked on or ripped. I literally just pulled it out, so this is gonna be pretty much a cold start. 74, 132. No warning lights. The bezel's all in one piece. It's not cracked. Roof's not faded. Windshield's nice. Open your back door. Headliner. It's not leaking anywhere. Very nice. Very clean truck. The carpet, it's like brand new. The seat supports, they're all black, nice and black. They're not, what's it called? Usually they get like some discoloration in them. There's the rockers. Here's the bottom of the door. Bottom of the rear door. Heck. There you go. Camera thing is not working right, but no blow by. Little this truck is, it's a very nice truck, it's like brand new. Here we go. If you're in the market for one like this, give us a call at 540-898-8300. This truck is available now at driveplatinum.com. These 24 valves are harder to find. They keep getting harder to find in this kind of shape. Like I said, this is a one owner truck. No accidents. Very well taken care of. Give us a call at 540-898-8300. Thank you.